What up, guys? My name is Chris. This is Wheelhouse Trading, and welcome to the Wheelhouse. Hope everybody's doing okay. I just got back from Vegas, was out there for almost a week or something, 4 or 5 days. Had a lot of fun, lost a lot of money, but came back and made it all back, plus some in the markets. That's what I want to talk to you about. Bullish pivot and a rally inbound. Now, I saw it coming a couple days ago, but I couldn't make a YouTube, but I was telling everybody in the group. Now, as far as the group, if you subscribe to this video, you like it, and you go into the description of this video, there's a link to the Discord. Put the Discord app on your iPhone or your Android, verify with phone number, email, come in. If you subscribe, it's $99 a month, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do exact buy and exact sell alerts through the entire market, compounding each position, walk you through exactly, you'll get the alerts, and you'll get the one-on-one coaching, and you'll get the Jedi chat area, and you'll get all the group trainings, the Wheelhouse Wednesdays, plus all the courses. But I'm going to handhold you through it, how to, 3 to 10x your money. And we're going to put together a specific watch list for you and another one for inverse trading against it to hedge and then let those stops hit and the longs run. And we're going to do a push and pull on a system that has made me a ton of money and will make you a lot too if you follow it. So I want to show you a couple things. First of all, let's just go look at TradingView real quick here. And let's just go look at the indexes. Now, you might not be able to tell quite yet that there's a pivot coming in, but I can tell there's a pivot coming in. So this is what I was explaining to you when we were just right here, and this line was only this long. I said, look, the market's going to come down, guys. 2 days later, it dropped. Well, now I'm telling you it's about to come up, and I had indicated these pivot lows of exactly what it is. Well, this thing is breaking out. Let's just make sure. Go on a smaller time frame. It's right on the line. The body is on the line. Yeah, so this is the Dow. Okay, the Dow is changing direction. So it did not break this low or this low yet. We never really know, right? However, the fact that it did not break this low, it came down, and today is going to be important. We want to see if it goes up. I believe it will. Because I'm seeing a lot in crypto and stocks in the charts. And the charts tell you the news. You don't have to live your whole life worrying about the news and CPI data and all these reports. You do need to worry about earnings reports and the companies themselves. That is smart. And the technicals. So fundamentals and technicals. And, buy low, sell high, understand pivots, know when to enter, know when to exit. And I'm going to help you with that. I'm going to help you so good with that. If you subscribe, the $99 you pay a month, you are going to make so much money. I was doing it from my phone and made $24,000, and I'm barely even invested. I'm invested like 20%, not even 20%. So you can make good money. Now look, this is pivoting, the Dow, the SPY. The SPY is starting to pivot. Yes, you're under the 200, HMA is red, but this is how it all begins. If you back it up to the 1 hour, this is how it all starts, okay? It all starts this way. It has to go through the minute, the 5 minute, the 30 minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 6 hour, the 8 hour. It has to do all that before it gets to the daily and creates the pivot. Okay, that's the beginning of the pivot, is that doji right there. A blue doji on Heiken Ashi signifies we're changing a direction to the upside. And then when it's followed up with a bullish candle, who loves you, baby? All right, now Bitcoin, not bullish to the daily. We'll talk about that. But the NASDAQ is pivoting, okay? And the Russell is pivoting, okay? So now that we know that, I want to show you some bullish stocks right now that you could buy, and I can show you how to set up your chart, when to enter, and when to exit. Now, I can't make this a 2-hour video, but essentially, if you just put a 5 EMA, which is the green one, and a 9 EMA, which is the blue one, and you just, as soon as the green one crosses over and you can see a little bit of black, you buy, okay? So you buy right here at 92.96, and you sell over here at 104. So you made $8-9, okay? Just trading those crosses. Now, when when the price action goes up, okay, the price action is the red. When the price action goes up through the 9, now you want the green one on the top, not the bottom, but it is step 1 when it goes through the 9, okay? It's step 2 when it goes through I'm sorry, when the green is the 5. I apologize. I have a change on my chart. So it's step 1 when it goes through the green one, which is the 5 EMA. It's step 2 when it goes through the blue one, the 9. But when the price action pulls the green one up and they cross, you're good to go. Now, if you're a trader, we like to do this on the shorter time frames and we're more active, right? But this is what I like to call bullish to the daily. And when you see the pivot, like I showed you on my trading view chart, and you see the pivot change directions and does not cut the low at a previous resistance or support, and you see all the crypto charts and all the tech stock charts starting to move in the same direction, and the money is flowing in, what do? We follow the money. Why? Because who loves you, baby? That's what you do. Okay, so we're going to look at some bullish charts. You're going to put a 5 and a 9 on there. We're looking for quality companies, but I just put anything that's looking pretty bullish. This one is not perfect, DocuSign, but I saw it coming, and if you go look at the after hours, boom, who loves you, baby? Up 17.65% in the after hours. Good earnings. I can't look at extended hours on the daily on the Webull, but this thing is up massive. $10.30 in the after hours. So this is certainly going to be crossing by the time you see this video. Who else had a big day due to earnings? Asana. Look at the green, just crossed the blue. Look at the price action time to go. Now what I like to do is I have a little spreadsheet. Let's just say you bought it here, okay? You didn't know, but you're still good, right? Okay, you bought it at $23.76. So then what I like to do is, even though you're going to sell when it crosses, it's always good to know how high this sucker was at one point. And you can always see it right there, 142.68. So if you go get your little calculator and you just go grab your calculator tool and you go 142.68 and you divide that by your buy price of $23.76, we're talking about 600%, guys, 600%. So you see that you have the cross, okay? You can see it right there. Green went through blue, price action is above, and you have the black space. And so you buy Asana because, remember, fundamentals is good. And look at that volume. Woo! Okay. Asana looks good. DocuSign looks good. These are ones that you should be getting ready for the bullish rally, okay, which is already started. Now, just to kind of give you a bearing, if you were doing this, last time this sucker crossed was right here. Okay, it was right here. And then it crossed again over here, which you probably got to go a little lower. Okay, and then let's just look at the difference there. So you bought it on a 5 to 9 cross over here at $18.32. Okay, and you sold it over here at $24.85. That's $6.53. Now, you got 1,000 shares, you spent 23,000, or you spent 18,300 bucks, you made 6,000 bucks. Boom. Who loves you, baby? All you did was trade the crosses on the daily. Why? Because you're bullish to the daily and it's already worked all the kinks in the 5-minute, the 30-minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour. And we use the smaller time frames for trading, and depending on how volatile the market is, December, January, February, we're down on that minute, 5-minute, 30-minute, hour. I get it. I still trade the hour and less all the time, but I want to show you just a perfect way to swing trade using the 5 to 9 cross on the daily, and I put together some bullish ones. So we got Asana, we got DocuSign. Now I noticed a lot of the miners, the Maras, the Huts, the Riots, they're looking good. This one, see how it's not crossed, but price action's there? We don't want to buy it until it crosses, okay? This is how you get tricked out, okay? You get too excited, and that's where you get mistakes. Now, this one has crossed, and look at the volume, okay? The green is through the blue. Price action is above. Looking good, guys. That's TNDM, okay? Tandem diabetes. This one's about to cross. This is Riot. Mara is right about to cross, but hasn't. Monday has crossed. Now, Monday might not be a bad thing to get your hands on right now. Just to give you an example, if you would have traded the cross last time, That took place right about here. We'll go a little above it. Okay. And let's say it crossed right there. So let's go a little below it. And that means that you sold at 128.03 and you had bought it at 102.71. You made $25.32. So if you had 100 shares, you spent, what did I say it was? You spent 10 grand, 10,200. You made 2,500 bucks. You made 25% just trading the crosses. Well, guess what? They just crossed again. Who loves you, baby? Time to get paid, right? Okay. So Monday, I want to look at that. Now look at this, Task. Remember Task? We made all this money for Task before, and then it like took a dump on us. Look who's coming back to play. Task. Crosses. Price action is booming. Off the chain, guys. And look, this thing, if you bought it at $17.94 right now, this thing, I remember this was way up there. Hold on. $83, guys. We're talking 400%. 400%. Now, that's if you're going to hold it the whole way. Believe me, these things are going to cross before it gets back to all-time high. And that's okay. That's how you compound your money. You pick Task. You use the same position size, dollar amount, okay? And you trade the crosses, and then every time it crosses back, you sell, and you wait. When it crosses again, you put that in with the money, the profit, and you keep doing that all year. You just build a watch list with all of them and do your 5 to 9 crosses, okay? Lithium, LAC, this thing is bullish and looks like it's about to break out, okay? So LAC's got the cross, price action is zooming. Looks like it's pretty close to a breakout. ChargePoint, I'm crushing it on ChargePoint right now. ChargePoint, I caught it on the 1 hours where I bought it. So I bought it before it crossed on the daily, and which was probably down in here. And this whole thing is just running. So the crosses are good. You could just run that. And just to give you an example, if you bought the crosses last time, it was... yeah, right here. So we'll put it a little higher. Okay, we'll say it was right there. And you had to sell. We'll put it a little lower. Okay. All right, so you basically sold at $16.33. And you bought over here at $12.84. Okay, this is not a very expensive stock, so if you're buying it at $12.84, you bought 2,000 shares, let's say, 12,000, 25 grand kind of thing, and you made $3,500 per 1,000 shares, or $3.50 a share, okay? Just trading the crosses, all right? 5 to 9 cross on the daily. Very good. It just did it again. Now, obviously, we're looking for a breakout of 1887 from its local pivot high. Okay, now Coinbase. Coinbase has got some steam right now. Look, it's about to cross. Coinbase is moving. I'm going to tell you right now, crypto is about to run. It's about to hum. Okay, IronNet about to hit it too. SoFi, thank God, we're doing something. So I got a lot of this. So you know we're not quite there, but let's keep an eye on it. Plug Power, looking good. Just got the cross. And first time I bought Plug was $8, and I got it. I sold literally right at the top, like $72. So this thing went to $73. Oops. It went to $73. I spotted a potential breakout, but I need to look a little closer. Okay. So, yeah, you got a potential breakout here at $30, and you're at $29.12. You're 88 cents away from a breakout, and it just crossed, and you're in the right sector. Plug Power. Nutrabrand, okay, just crossing. Price action's going over. Teladoc. Look at this. Teladoc's trying to push. It's not there yet. It should be on the watch list. CleanSpark. Everybody got beat up with CleanSpark. Maybe you can get some money back. Revenge it. Not ready. It's close. I would wait. I like quality companies right now. There's no reason why you wouldn't want like NVIDIAs and AMDs and Googles and Apples and, you know, what are all the ones I have? I have Facebook, Square, Microsoft, ChargePoint, DocuSign, Coin, Chainlink, Airbnb, Tesla, PayPal, AMD, Ethereum, Disney, Amazon, Upstart, Cardano, Algorand, Avalanche, Drip, Meta, which is Facebook, SoFi, RKK, Google. Yes, I have some Shiba. It's my long shot. Solana, Microsoft, Square, Aave, Ape, Crowd, Palantir, FNGU, which I love, Lucid, Nvidia, Bitcoin, and then in my other brokerage I have like DraftKings, Playboy, Zim, more Tesla, and then I have another brokerage with more crypto stuff in it. So yeah, I mean, I'm starting to accumulate, you know. Roku, look, it's $69. It hasn't crossed yet. I wouldn't trust Roku until it crosses. But Link, I was trying to give you little hints the other day about Link. Look at Link. Look at Link. That'll work. So there's the 5 to 9. Look at this thing. Dude, Link is running. It's at 750. Oh, man, I got problems. Hold on. I didn't really come in here and mess with all this stuff yet. What is all this shit on my chart? You got looks like a MACD down here. Stochastic. Try like Vortex. RSI. Where's the volume? Okay, so Link, and how do you get rid of this thing over here? I don't know how to do that right now. Okay, so Link, and we're on the daily? No, we're on the hourly. Okay, so Link is bullish, and let me show you that it's bullish to the daily, okay? Okay, there it is. It crossed over here. Even though price action went through, it didn't cross. You're still in this. You're almost at 750, guys. Now this thing was up, what, at like $30 or something? It says 18 there, but it goes further. $35.14, and you're at 750. I got mine in the 6s, and I love Chainlink. Okay, I think of Chainlink as Microsoft. It's like an anchor in my portfolio. It's not gonna wreck me, and I love it right now. I feel like this is bottomed over here, and I feel like we went through a little process, and now we're gonna make a higher high. Okay, and we're gonna start to run. That's what's gonna happen. Get on that Chainlink if you like. Fast financials. Financials are running right now for obvious reasons. It hasn't crossed, but it's about to. Cure is a triple leverage healthcare. Price action is zooming, and it's about to cross. I got it in the watch list because I'm keeping an eye on it for everybody. Silvergate, same thing. It's about to cross. DocuSign, it's crossed. It's just crossed in after hours tonight. Look at that go. Oh, my God. Roblox is about to cross. Oh, no. Yeah, it's about to cross right now. So Roblox. On Semiconductor, about to cross. Okay, these are all ones you can have in your watch list. CrowdStrike's making a move. I own CrowdStrike. Zscaler made a big move in after hours. I guess they had a big earnings. Let's go look. Look at that move. Boom. Boom. That's going to show up. So tomorrow it's going to be hella bullish. Okay, this one is a really good one. Sunrun. Sunrun had a breakout. Okay, just had a breakout today. It has the cross. It's in the right sector. It's good. Ethereum. Ethereum, baby. Oh, no. What is this? Grayscale? Hold on. Let's go look at real Ethereum. Real Ethereum. Here we go. Boom. Look at that. Green is above purple. Price action. Ethereum is about to run, and the charts tell the news. Okay? Charts tell the news. Aave, it's tight, okay? But it is a little bit above. But anyways, look, we got all kinds of good ones. Look at Solana. Solana's above, price action's above, and it's just getting across. Time to get in Solana. Let's just see what would have happened if you would have caught the cross last time on Solana. Just for fun. Okay, which would have been... I guess it's right here. Probably not a huge move, but still, let's look at it. Kind of almost a break even. Okay, so you sold. This is one that I own. I don't know where my mouse is going. Hello. There we go. All right, so you bought there at 40, you got out at 43, you made $3. For me, I have a lot of Solana, so $3 on Solana would have been a pretty good chunk of change for me. I got a lot of money in crypto right now. Pretty good amount of money. This is one we haven't talked about in a long time. Space Virgin Galactic. Guess what? Just getting the cross as of today at $6.28. And where was this one before? Where was this one? $59. This is a 10x, guys. 10x. Now, for those of you maybe that haven't been in the market for a long time, Virgin Galactic started dropping pretty hard because they announced that they weren't going to make their second flight until the end of summer of this year. So everybody sold out. They were like, oh my God, they're not, they delayed it for like 6, 7, 8 months. Well, here we are, end of summer, and look what's happening in the charts. The charts tell the news. We're getting the cross, price action's above, and it's a 10x. I mean, I don't love the company, but I don't really care what it is as long as it's crossing and I enter right and I sell right and the indexes are moving, that the stock is in the index, right? So here's one that I do own that looks amazing. So I got PayPal a lot lower, because I'm already up a lot on it. So yeah, I'm up like $6. So I probably got it like over in here. Okay, so this thing just crossed. Look at that. Just crossed PayPal. Here's one that just crossed. Let me show you something. Oh, Airbnb. Gotta have Airbnb right now. Look at it. Just crossed. Boom. Airbnb is going to pay you. Oh, it's going to pay you. I believe Edit is ready. Edit just crossed. Look at this. Starbucks. Who doesn't like Starbucks? I mean, just to know that you own Starbucks. I mean, Starbucks is cool, and it just crossed. Now, it's not going to be a huge moneymaker for you. Let's just know that. But I mean, look, it was at 122 and it's only at 89, so we're talking 11. We're talking $33. $33, and that's a shoulder, a head, a shoulder, and a rally. Doesn't look like a lot of resistance, guys. Starbucks looks like money. Big Daddy Tesla in the house. Big Daddy Tesla about to cross. Look at that. Look at that. Boom, we caught our split, we bought the dip, and boom, we're crossing, and now we're about to get paid, okay? So, look, put a 5 and a 9 EMA on your chart. If it crosses bullish to the daily, buy. Don't get emotional. When it crosses back, you have to make a decision, okay? Life is like a game of poker. It's all about putting your opponent to a decision, and right now the opponent is you. You need to decide if you want to trade the crosses and compound your money and make 10x, 15, 20x over the next, say, 2-3 years, doing that, but you're going to give a third away to the government for taxes. Okay? Envelope, got to give it to Vinny. Okay? Or you buy down here, you accumulate, and you basically just hold, and you'll probably make 300% over the next 3 years, which averages about 100% a year if you buy quality companies like DocuSign, Nvidia, Microsoft. You got to throw some crypto in there. There's some good deals out there right now. Google, you should have some Google. I just got back into ARK. PayPal, Square. I mean, all these are going to come back around. Everything is cyclical, and you just got to know the 4 market phases where you're at. You're currently in phase 4. You're in the process to get to phase 1. That's going to have something to do with the macro headwinds and all the stuff that's going on, but it'll show up in the chart. And if you just want to swing trade, just trade the crosses on the 5 to 9. And if you go long, then what I suggest is you actually build a list of inverse leverage bears. So when the market comes down and all your longs are coming down because you didn't trade the crosses, then what you do is you just buy SQQQ, TZA, SDAO, and SPXS, okay? So now as all the indexes are going down, you're tripling your money going up, and you just put a stop on the 9. So when it goes up, does this thing, and then every day you change your stop to the 9, and when it goes down, boom, you take your money plus your profit, you got more cash in the bank, and when that hits the stop, that means the market is pivoting, and then you apply all that money and profit back into your longs, and boom, on and on we go. Who loves you, baby? Welcome to the wheelhouse.